What's up guys, I'm in the kitchen right now cooking and I thought might as well just film a video about how to get fit, okay? And many people complain this shit, bro. They're saying, oh, I should count how many calories I take and how much I burn and the burnt calories should be more than I take and shit like this. They all complain, oh, this much protein, this much this. And of course, this is good. But this shit is good when you're a bit more advanced, okay? In the beginning, you don't need that shit. You are just overwhelming your mind and then you are doing nothing. You forget to count your calories and you feel like, oh, I forgot it, so I'm dumb and shit like this, and you don't even try it. So in the beginning, this shit is not necessary, bro. When I was a bit pudgy and I didn't have muscle, you know what I started doing? Do you think I started counting, oh, how many calories in this shit and this shit and this shit? No, I did not do that. Well, sometimes I did, but most of the time I just cut off the shit food I was eating, junk food, sweets, ice cream, fucking pasta, shit like this. I cut those off and started eating a bit healthier and natural food, like chicken, meat, eggs, rice, what I was eating, some veggies, beans, stuff like this, bro. And I started exercising at home. If you have, oh, I can't go to gym, you don't fucking have to, bro. You can get decent body by working out at home. And yeah, in the beginning I started like this and things went pretty well, bro. I lost fat, I gained muscle, and I wasn't this fucking pudgy kid anymore. And this was easier than fucking counting macros and calories and everything. Bro, it's so easy. Just eat healthier, cut off shit, cut off sugar, and exercise a bit, bro. And that's all you need to get in better shape than you are today. And if you're saying, oh, but my parents are cooking food and I can't cook my own and blah, blah, blah. Bro, you think my parents didn't cook fucking food? You think I was waking up every day cooking my own fucking food and shit like this? Well, to be honest, I was cooking. But the thing is that even though if your parents are cooking, you will have something that is really easy to make, bro. Maybe it's eggs. Everyone knows how to fucking boil an egg, or I don't know what's the other one called. Make omelet, basically. Okay? I'm with bullshitting right now, as always, bro, but it's just too easy, dude. You're just complaining, oh, my parents, blah, blah, they're buying. Tell your parents to buy fucking eggs and chicken, meat, and then just ask them to cook it, bro. You think they will not cook it? And they will say, oh, no, this is bad. No, they will not say it. They will cook it for you, and you will eat healthy, bro. Just ask your parents to buy some good food for you, and that's it, bro. That's easy. And just have fucking willpower to don't eat fucking chocolates. Oh, but they buy chocolates and I can't stop to eat them. Bro, if you prefer this fucking sweet thing on your mouth for a couple seconds, if you prefer that over good body and health and being fit and fucking not being disabled, fat fuck, when you can't move and you're walking like this, bro, if you prefer that, then okay, be a fat piece of shit. No one will care. But for me, I prefer to be fit and healthy over this fucking, oh, it tastes so good for 2 seconds. Bro, that's bullshit. Just get your priorities right, okay? So that's, bro, just eat healthier, bit healthier than you are doing now, and exercise a bit at home. Do push-ups, pull-ups, squats, ab exercises, do something, bro. And you will get in better shape, and this will be a good start. And when you progress like this, you can go over counting calories and counting calories you burn and shit like this, okay? So yeah, that's, bro. Get your ass up and do what's important. Peace.